All right. Hi, everybody. It is still day one and doing recovery. Did some physical therapy, which I'll post videos of that in a second. Well, not a second, in a little bit. So just hold your horses. You'll see how good I'm doing. And I'm here with Kathy Gasper and lovely wife Lacey. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
They're here just to keep me company. We're allowed 2 people in the room right now because of COVID. Before it was 1, but they changed the rules. You know, cases going up in Cass County. Why not put everybody in the hotel?
In the home.
I meant the hotel, the hospital. So I'm on a clear liquid diet right now, and I graduated to a full liquid diet. Means I can have some yogurt, some soup, more soup, and ice cream. Woo woo. So graduated that, but otherwise doing well. Sitting in a chair. Love the chair. Ice in my knee, which I guess is supposed to be really good for you. And yeah, so recovery going well. I'm here all night, and I'll be posting videos of my recovery on my YouTube channel. So if you're watching on YouTube, thank you. Subscribe below. Comment if you want. Keep me entertained for 24 hours would be fabulous. And then we'll keep you posted on the recovery, and I'll show you me doing my therapy after this video. Bye for now.